and I'll keep it hush.
The tests carried out on Sergio Aguero are very negative. The possibility that he may not play football again is present. The player is aware of it. Aguero is suffering for a cardiac arrhythmia which is not being and seriously puts his career at risk. We hope he will recover quickly. Gini Wijnaldum have stated something about PSG players. I'm still getting to know them, said Jorginho Wijnaldum, discussing with Sky Sports to the life of Paris Saint-Germain. Borussia Dortmund are eyeing the Chelsea midfielder. Borussia Dortmund coach Marco Rose wants a new attacker after Jadon Sancho sold to Manchester United last summer, and Ziyech has emerged a loan option for the Germans. Ziyech has struggled to find a regular minutes under manager Thomas Tuchel and could be open to a January exit. Luis Enrique, Spain coach, have said something about midfielder Gavi. He said that Gavi is a brown beast. He didn't want to go out, he was dizzy, he saw the double, and he was very excellent. Lionel Messi could make his sensational return to Barcelona in 2023 after the appointment of Xavi as the La Liga club head coach, according to the stunning reports. However, Barcelona believe that PSG superstar could be ruled back to Camp Nou when his contract is set to expire in 2023. Paris Saint-Germain manager Pochettino has had grand opportunity this season to manage three of more potent attacking talents in the world football today, with Lionel Messi, Neymar and Kylian Mbappe. I think you cannot teach this type of guys how we need to behave on the pitch. Pochettino said, I think they have an amazing talent that I need in this time together to start to create this type of link, but you cannot teach these types of great players. Argentina have a Qatar place in sight after the Uruguay win. A day after Brazil secured a place in Qatar, Argentina took a big step to securing the qualification of their own following victory over Uruguay. Pochettino has been linked with Manchester United, but comparing the current team PSG to the one he played in, Pochi said, we are talking about the best players in the world. It is difficult to compare because we are talking about the best player in the world and a 20 years old audience. This was JJ Okocha, Ronaldinho, Nicolas Anelka and many players that were amazing. And now we are talking about Neymar, Mbappe, Messi. You cannot go higher than this level of players. The former Bayern player, general manager and president said about Manchester City and Paris Saint-Germain. So far they haven't won anything, nothing at all. The two associations don't have won a single Champions League title. They will continue to lose against us, not always, but sometimes. That has been the goal, and if we win against them, I am really happy, said Bayern president. Xavi says yes to the signing of Dani Alves. Brazilian return to the Barca is already taken for granted. Barca want to announce it in next week so that he can be incorporated into the dynamic of the first team.